Okay, here you have the template that you are going to use to create your Flextangle. On this template, there are different rows. For example, row A is here, 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 and here. Row B is here, here, and here, and so forth. Now then, you'll see in row D, you have 3 shapes that you need the same pattern in. We have one here, we have one here, and we have one here. Now let's take a look at this shape. It could be a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral, which is any 4-sided shape. It is also a rhombus because these sides are all the same length. So in your row of parallelograms, or kite shapes, or diamonds, there's lots of things we can call them, you have the same pattern. Now, in the next row, you'll notice that you have 2 quadrilaterals, but then you have half of one here and half of one here. So you have to do half of the pattern. On the very top row, I haven't finished it. I did circles here. So on this one, I have to do half of my circle. And on this one, same thing. Half of my circle. Now then, when you color these in, you want to make sure that you're using the same colors on your row of patterns. And it's best if you use colors that contrast nicely. On this row right here, I don't like how the colors are too similar. I like this row better because the colors really contrast with each other and you can really see the patterns nicely. Now on this particular one, I started with black permanent marker so that when I use my markers here, which are water-based, it won't smear the black. On some of the other ones, let's look at this one. Maybe. There we go. This does not have any black marker on it, but I decided this one is just done with markers. But I decided that I really liked the way it looked when I outlined first with black marker and then colored it in. Okay, I decided to go with orange and purple. It's kind of boring watching me color, isn't it? And yellow. Okay, I'm done coloring, and now it's time to cut it out. Okay, you're going to cut all around the edge. Just like this. And when you are done, it'll look like this. The next part is the folding part. You need to start by folding on this line. And this line. And this line. And this line. One more. Then you need the diagonal folds. Here. Here. One more set of folds on this one. Now you have another diagonal. So now we need to go here. And here. And here. And there. Alrighty. Now we're ready to put this together. Okay, you just need some glue where it says glue. Now, I have tried some of these where I've put all the glue on at the same time, and I've tried some where I've done one at a time. And you'll just have to see what works for you. Okay, now you're going to put the two sides together. It's a little tricky. Sometimes I have to re-glue if I've taken too long. This glue still feels pretty sticky. Okay, we've got these end tabs. Put a little glue there, a little glue there. Yes, I'm getting glue on the table. We don't care about things like that. We're artists. We can always wash the table afterwards. Take this end and slide it in here. Just like that. And give a little squeeze. Now the real fun begins. Have to be a little careful while the glue is still drying. Isn't that pretty cool? Whoa! How does that work? How can I twist that round and round without tearing it? Sweet! These are just very cool.